One of my viewers had asked a question about how they can get this on the Moza Air Cross 2 to get the position so that it's level. What happens is the actual setup here will turn just slightly. Sometimes it'll be off kilter just a tad, or off kilter that way just a tad, and I don't know specifically why that happens. I have adjusted, like right today, it's working really fine, so I don't have to worry about it for some reason. But every once in a while, and it might be because of the amount of weight that I've got on there. Right here I've got a pretty light, the 12-60 lens on there, so that's really lightweight. It's a Panasonic. And then all I have to do is have the smallrig attachment here. Those will be in the description in case you need to look at it. That smallrig allows you to screw on different types and multiple extra weights, which is really handy. And so again, that'll be in the description below. The app itself for it will also allow you to do those fine-tune adjustments.
Open the Moza Master app on your mobile device. Click on Gimbal Setting, then click on Advanced Setting, then press Offset, and change the roll dial until your side-to-side tilt is level, and then hit Confirm. You can also go into Configuration and save these settings under your configuration of choice.
But if, like you're me, I have my phone right there with the app on it, I can't use that while I'm doing that. That's why you basically use the controls here on the Moza Air Cross 2, and that will get everything working just fine. Okay, so one of the main things is you've got to go to get to this particular setting in the gimbal. Press and hold down the center until this display comes up. You'll go down to Advanced, then you'll scroll all the way down till you get to Calibration. And Calibration, you want to then move down to Angle Offset. On Angle Offset, you're going to go to Roll. Now Roll is going to turn it so that it will tilt this way or that way. And basically, you just roll that until your camera tilts properly, or you roll it back to the negative. Either one of those will get you the straightening of the position here. So if you look, just kind of hold that camera as still as possible. So when I tilt it, it's really, really finely tuned, so the very small increments. So right now we're at 99, so it'll keep going until it gets to 99. I can roll it all the way back. And we're going to get it back to the other side. And you will see it tilt to the negative 99. But that allows you to fine-tune your adjustments so that after you've auto-tuned it, to get it back to exactly where it is. That has happened to me as well. So whenever I was doing it, for some reason, it would just be just a little bit off kilter. So that little manipulation on the roll is going to fine-tune that so that you're set up for it. Okay, so if you do turn it off, it will reset. So again, you'll have to go through that each time, roll it. If that continues to be a problem, again, it might be just the weight, it might be the humidity of the day, who knows, or the amount of weights that you've got set up on there. Okay, I hope that helped you, and if you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to write it in the comments below, and thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. Thank you.